My beard is not that big. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. If you want to grow a beard like this or bigger than this, you should follow the next steps. If you didn't subscribe yet, join the YouTube family where I can help you get the best version of yourself. The following steps are simple but are not easy. The first step you can do to grow your beard is to let it grow. Grow it until the length you want and then just trim it here and there. But be careful, you still gotta groom it. You still gotta take care of it. You gotta use beard products. What kind of products? We'll see on number 5. Second step you can do to grow your beard is to exfoliate. You should exfoliate your face either twice a week, so now you can include your beard also. What's happening when you're exfoliating? You're removing the dead skin cells, and after that your body produces new, fresh skin cells. Third, biotin and healthy diet. You should take biotin as a supplement. Biotin is a complex of B vitamins which helps your hair, your nails, and your skin. In your healthy diet, you should include also sweet potato, eggs, and spinach. Those foods are full of biotin. Fourth, use Minoxidil. This is just giving your beard a kick in the butt. It just accelerating the things. But if you're not gonna do the other steps, it's just not gonna work the same. Fifth, use beard products. You should use your oil for your skin under your beard, your balm for your beard to style the way you want, and you should also use a brush for your beard to keep it nice and clean and stylish. Don't leave it just like wild. Sixth, hands off. Stop touching your beard all day long. I'm guilty about that too. I used to make circles in my beard all day long, but this is just not good. It's just not helping your beard growth in any way. Just leave it there, nice and easy. Seventh, work out. Of course, you shouldn't work out only for your beard growth. But when you're working out and you're eating healthy, your body improves your testosterone. And testosterone is responsible for your beard growth. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and share it to somebody who wanna grow his beard. That's it for today, and I'll see you very soon.